Boys, I swear to God, I'm done crying over this car. Today, we're gonna make some stuff happen. Let's go. Check this out. That's right. Every brand new premium subscriber signing up between now and November 30th is automatically entered into a separate drawing just for new premium subscribers to win a $250 LMR gift card and a $250 Henlin Motorsports gift card. Freaking unreal. Also, for current premium subscribers, check this out. That's right. Adding our 6th monthly drawing, a DeWalt power tool kit. Freaking badass. I've got 2 of them, one for the truck, one for the garage. I use them all the time. Hit the link, get signed up, and you're automatically entered to win our 3 giveaway cards as well. All right, boys, in this video, and welcome back to the channel, by the way, our objective is a few things. The first of which is to replace the transmission pan gasket that is pissing all over my garage floor. Number 2, we need to find the coolant leak. And I believe there's multiple, so we're gonna basically look everywhere. Number 3, we're going to figure out where the oil is coming from, because no oil should be leaking out of this car. And number 4, fix the exhaust leak. Let's go. All right, so you can see clearly, trans pan pissing everywhere. Sorry for the low light. Yeah, it's leaking everywhere. Number 2, guess what? We got oil. So yeah, that's not getting fixed today. Guys, this will be the 3rd rear main seal. Brand new. This one is a Ford part as well. You see right there, pissing fluid everywhere. We do have a little good news though. Coolant from right there. Petcock wasn't all the way tight. From when we drained it, putting the GT40 on it. You can see, yeah, that's where it was leaking from. So that's tight, so that coolant leak's fixed. So just so you guys don't think I was bullshitting, everything, every gasket, every hose, every power steering line, every AC line, everything was replaced. Now, even the power steering pump, oil sending unit is leaking. Sorry for the bad light. As you can see right there, sending unit is leaking, and I actually took that out and retaped it and reinstalled it, and it's still leaking. Hopefully it's just loose, but trans pan definitely leaking. Rear main seal definitely leaking. That rear main seal is just gonna have to ride because I'm not pulling this trans out again.
All right, success. Hand is off. One quick note, and I'm going to tell you guys this because I've literally never owned an AOD Fox body. Every single one of them been 5-speeds. But these two back bolts were kind of a pain. I had to go ahead and take the trans bolts nuts off and jack the trans up a little bit. But she came out. Everything looking pretty good in the pan. Atypical. So now I just got to get this. Oh, sweet. Peeled right off. I'm going to show you all some epic shots of me scraping shitty quart gaskets, but I guess we're good. Yeah, that doesn't happen very often. Alright boys, so this is the gasket I got from LMR. You can see this is one of the reusable silicone. Should be a lifesaver. Absolutely done with freaking quart gaskets. Get some fluid in this thing. Hopefully no more transmission leaks. Got the fluid up to operating temperature. Through all the gears. Alright guys, so suffice to say, we got most of our objective done. Trans is no longer leaking, and worked on the exhaust. It's going to take more. I may have to drop the H pipe, fix the coolant leak, and figured out that for some reason this engine just doesn't like rear main seals. Whatever, I don't know, because I'm not pulling that trans again. Alright guys, so the point of this video is just chip away at it, man. They all got problems, they all got issues, and yeah, they're gonna piss you off, but if you just chip away at them, we got 3 out of 4, 3 out of 5, something like that, fixed. So next time we'll attack those other ones, and eventually, maybe before something else arises, it'll be good to go. So guys, I hope that was helpful. If it was, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.